Before we integrate the sufficiency economy philosophy principle into the industry, first, we will start with the concept and understanding that empowerment is important. So by empowering sufficiency economy philosophy and the foundation for the tourism industry in all dimensions, standing from the developing or development of tourism industry, tourism destination and activity, and also the tourism process management and maintenance of all levels, especially workforce, is also important. Having a strong foundation and sufficiency economy philosophy will help us put the tourism or tourism industry in a right start, in a good start. The sufficiency economy philosophy need to be set and run by every stakeholder. This is the second step to implement. Every stakeholder in the industry at all levels. I like to highlight it here when I mention about at all levels, from top management to operational level. The direction need to be clear and need to be agreed upon by all participants. The clear purpose and goal need to be understood mutually, but what we often see that the top management often publicly saying that they value SEP, but then when we look at the back of the house, when we look at that, we see that what they have actually do, you see that they only concerned about sales, the number of the customer and profit. Vast sufficiency economy philosophy, so you see it has to synchronize what they say and what they do, have to be synchronized in order to integrate and in order to put the SEP into the action. In other words, the sufficiency economy philosophy couldn't be implemented in any type of business at all levels, at any scale. In order to do that, use what you have and make sure that you are using what you have. You are using your local resource in the community without compromising or devalue its identity and authenticity. You concern what left over, concern what you have left for the new generation, for the younger generation. We can see that many communities have created value for the resource by adding hand on experience activity with local engagement, like Ban Na Ton Jan in Sukhothai, Ban Lam in Suphanburi, or Bang Kaw Bua at Samut Prakan. You see, all of these successful cases have become successful because they have implemented and they bring about the concept of the sufficiency economy philosophy. They have the enough mindset. They have the non-greedy behavior. They use what they have and they have left the resources for the new generation, for other people, for other community. The point is that the successful management of tourism should not be measured by the level of monetary profit only, but it should also be measured by quality of life and level of happiness of the people in industry, level of happiness and willingness of the people who own the resources in the community. Therefore, people in tourism industry should implement the sufficiency economy philosophy concept, and it must be undertaken in the form and prospect of conductive of all private business in all sectors. A push factor is the key success policy campaign by the government sector and also participation of private or by the private sector or entrepreneur also can be a good help or a good gateway to help pursue the goal of the sufficiency economy. I think if everybody mutually has the full understanding, the goal or where they want to go and or they want to be with this concept, I think it can lead them to the great success in the community. And not only in their community, it also will benefit with the connecting or surrounding community as well. And last, definitely, I think the benefit of understanding the same goal and working on the same direction, it will give the strong benefit and impactful meaning for the new generation. And that, of course, they still have the resource remaining. They still have their local wisdom to be used in the future. And this will not happen without the use and understanding of sufficiency economy philosophy concept and how to implement that in the industry.